Saw how gorgeous this bag was, I almost fainted. No joke. Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing extremely well. If you watched last week's video, you probably had a little sneak peek of what today's video is all about. I recently received the bag of my dream, and you know when you see the orange box, you know it's something good. Today I am beyond excited to share with you my latest splurge, which is the Hermes Kelly 25 in Sellier. I decided to go with the Epsom leather with gold hardware, the color Etoupe. And I tell you right now, when I opened this bag and saw how gorgeous this bag was, I almost fainted. No joke. So before we get right into the review, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell notification so you never miss out any of my videos. Here she is in all of her glory. Her name is Edna, by the way. In my wish, I specifically wanted the Sellier construction as well as the gold hardware with the gorgeous Etoupe shade. Let's start with the exterior features. I absolutely love the Epsom leather because I find that it has a beautiful grainy texture to it, giving it a luxurious feel and making it more resistant to scratch. The gold hardware adds a touch of opulence, complementing the classic silhouette of the Kelly 25. I love the Etoupe color. I find, besides the black one, I find it to be quite versatile. It's perfect for both casual and formal occasions. The reason why I went with the Sellier shape instead of the retourne is because I find that the Sellier is more structured, and personally I love a more structured bag. In the Kelly specifically, I like the Sellier style better than the retourne, but that's just my personal opinion. The following were also accompanied with the Kelly 25. We had the strap. We also had the clochette, 2 keys, and the lock. Before purchasing this bag, there were multiple pros that were taken into consideration. First one was the timeless design. For me, that was extremely important. It's an iconic piece that will never go out of style, in my opinion. Its timeless design ensures that it can be passed down through generations and generation, making it a true investment piece. The second pro that I took into consideration was the versatility of the color. The gold hardware made the bag incredibly versatile. Another thing was the durability of the leather, but also makes the bag more resistant to scratches. Now, with any luxury item, there are some cons to consider. While the Kelly 25 is perfect for essentials, its size might be a limited factor. It's more of a statement piece than a carry-all. Another thing I had to take into consideration before purchasing this bag was, of course, the elephant in the room, the price, because we all know that Hermes bags are a significant investment. Kelly 25 is no exception. So that's pretty much it for my review of the Kelly 25 in Epsom leather in color Etoupe. Overall, it's an absolutely stunning bag. I currently have other things in my wish list, and I hope by the end of the year I get a call from my SA. Another thing from Hermes that I currently have in my wish list is the Birkin 25. Fingers crossed, I hope I get a call at the end of the year or even before that. And overall, the Kelly 25, in my opinion, is a true masterpiece. Its timeless design, versatility, and durability of the leather and the construction of the bag is what makes it stand out. If you're a collector or someone who appreciates the artistry behind luxury handbags, the Hermes Kelly 25 is undeniably a showstopper. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review of the Kelly 25. If you have any questions regarding the bag, or if you're someone who already owns the bag, please comment down below your favorite things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you are notified anytime I post. And until next time, bye.
Why did I go